This plant is an alluvial gold and rock gold ore mixture processing plant. The capacity for this plant can be customized as per request, such as 10 TPH, 50 TPH, 100 TPH, etc. For example, the plant is processing 100 TPH raw material as alluvial gold and rock gold ores. And the max feeding material size is 100 mm. There's no sticky clay in the mine. The alluvial gold concentrate size is less than 3 mm, and the rock gold concentrate gold size is less than 2 mm. The plant will begin from the feeder. The client requires a belt conveyor to feed raw ores to the hopper in this plant. If you use an excavator, then no need for the belt conveyor. The hopper before the trommel screen generally will match with a grizzly bar to remove the two big rocks. The gap can be 100 mm, 70 mm or smaller. Then the less than 100 mm materials will be washed at the trommel screen. If there's lots of sticky clay in your mine site, we suggest using a trommel scrubber to wash away the sticky clay. For the trommel screen, we generally suggest matching 2 layers of screens. One layer can be a steel bar, the gap size can be 25 mm or smaller, and another layer can be 3 mm, 6 mm, etc. The less than 3 mm materials will go to a tank. The slurry pump will send the slurry to a centrifugal concentrator to process and separate gold. The 3 to 100 mm materials will be sent to hammer crushers to crush to be -2 mm by belt conveyor. The output from hammer crushers will go to a tank and be sent to the centrifugal concentrator by a slurry pump. After processing by the concentrator, the concentrate from the centrifuge will go to a shaking table to process and get the final concentrate. The tailings from the centrifuge will go to the sluice box to process and gather the gold in the tailings as much as possible. Finally, you can use a gold smelting furnace to purify the concentrated gold and get the gold bar.